Too eager, too much, too fast. These are the common mistakes I always see with people applying retinol. Retinols are really powerful, so if you don't apply them properly, they will humble you. Why using a retinol matters? So retinols are great tool for reducing fine lines, preventing premature aging, and also reducing overall acne. But the common mistake I see people do is just spamming it on and just going super high power, super high strength, and using it every day. That's wrong. It's all that matters is about consistency and timeline. It's more important than the strength. And for retinol, it's important to go slow rather than go fast. So number 1, use retinol at night. Retinol breaks down under sunlight, so it reduces its effectiveness. So don't use retinol in the morning. Number 2, amount matters. Use a pea-size amount. What is a pea size? It is half a fingertip. Let me show you. Half a fingertip. And apply it over dots evenly around your face. I wouldn't recommend doing your neck for the first time, because the neck is totally different from the face and you may be much more sensitive. And now you need to watch out for these areas, especially around the mouth, around the corners of the nose, because this is where retinol can collect and is also more sensitive. If you have more sensitive skin, dry skin, it's good to apply some moisturizer, barrier or buffering before that. So applying a layer of moisturizer along these creases and around your mouth area to kind of give an added layer of protection. And then use firm gliding motions to kind of spread it around. Alright. And always start slow. Start every other day or every 3 days instead of every day. This is a common rookie mistake. Don't make it. You heard it from me. Also, simplify your routine. Don't mix it with strong acids. Don't mix it with AHA, BHA, or vitamin C when you're first starting out. If you're really worried about sensitive skin, buffer your skin. So basically add a layer of moisturizer before you apply the retinol, so it kind of acts as an extra protection for the skin. Or even try the retinol sandwich, which is a layer of moisturizer, a bit of retinol, and then slapping on a layer of moisturizer after that. Just like a sandwich. Be patient as well. So retinol irritation only catches up on you on day 3 and day 5. So you may think you're fine and be like upping the dose and concentration, and then bam, you get irritation, dryness, and it's really uncomfortable. So just go slow, take it easy. This is a long journey. It's a marathon, not a sprint. I also get this text a lot from my clients. So basically they'll tell me like, oh, I think I'm allergic, I'm breaking out. This is not breaking out, it is purging. It happens because you have faster cell turnover, there are more inflammatory proteins are triggered, and then the surface skin cells shed faster. So you may get a bit more redness, a bit more breakouts, some mild burning sensation. This is expected unless you're getting like severe flaking or anything. Of course, immediately stop. So what happens when irritation is too much? Stop the product, stop the retinol, of course. And second, try to simplify your routine, so avoid anything too astringent like any AHA, BHA pills. And then third, use a very moisturizing repair barrier cream. For me, I like to use Suu Balm. I have the link and the product recommendations below. And also I like to use Suu Balm as well. And most importantly, give it time. Final important matters, mainly the percentage strength of your retinol matters. Go slow, go easy. It's a marathon. Stronger doesn't mean better in this case. Don't use retinol on exfoliation nights. And of course, slow and steady wins the race. Alright, leave any questions in the comment section. I would love to respond to you. Bye!